Welcome to Daily News Headlines. Headline number 1. Apple, ARM strike chip deal. Apple and ARM have agreed to a deal that extends beyond 2040, according to a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filing. ARM licenses technology used in nearly all smartphones. The deal ensures Apple can base its iPhone and Mac chips on the ARM architecture for years to come. The SoftBank-owned chip design firm is preparing for an initial public offering with a hoped-for valuation of $52 billion, which would make it the biggest of 2023. Apple is among the big tech firms identified as cornerstone investors in ARM's IPO to the tune of $735 million in total, Reuters reported, based on anonymous sources. Headline number 2. NFL flexes its TV streaming might. The National Football League is reveling in its current renaissance, inking deals in excess of $110 billion with TV networks, NBC Universal, Disney, ESPN, Paramount and Fox, and streamers, Amazon and YouTube, within the last 2 years. The pacts have given the league a much-needed boost following some challenging controversies, like alleged concussion cover-ups, The Hollywood Reporter writes. But the seminal moment for its turnaround was its embrace of streaming, as cord-cutting accelerated during the pandemic. The NFL's power has only intensified this year, since Hollywood strikes have left TV networks with huge holes in their fall schedules. The league also recently beefed up its own streamer, NFL Plus, by adding pay TV channels NFL Network and Red Zone. An estimated 73.5 million people are expected to bet on NFL action this year, after dozens of states legalized sports betting, an American Gaming Association survey shows. Headline number 3. Health insurance costs on the rise. Health insurance costs are increasing at a rate not seen in more than a decade, and they're expected to go up even more in 2024. The cost of employer coverage will rise about 6.5% next year, while Affordable Care Act premiums will get about 6% more expensive, according to a new survey. With many people avoiding hospitals and doctor visits during the pandemic, insurance costs have increased slowly in the last few years. Wage hikes for nurses and overall inflation have also both contributed to the new price spike. Headline number 4. Texas declares power emergency. Texas declared its first power emergency in more than 2 years Wednesday night, risking rolling blackouts as temperatures passed 100 degrees Fahrenheit in some areas. The state last declared an emergency in February 2021, when a winter storm caused widespread blackouts and killed at least 240 people. Conditions worsened so quickly Wednesday that the grid operator skipped calling a Level 1 emergency and went straight to a Level 2, meaning power reserves have dropped to critical levels. The emergency ended at 9 p.m. local time. Temperatures are expected to top 100 degrees again Thursday. Spot power prices passed $5,000 a megawatt-hour several times Wednesday evening, 4 times the cost of power supplies for that period in the day-ahead market, per Bloomberg. Fact of the day. June to August marked the hottest season ever recorded on Earth. Thanks for watching.